Ford is giving Bronco fans another way to stand out with the introduction of the 2027 Bronco Desert Rising package. It is the first release in the company's New Horizon collection, combining bold styling with factory-backed customization for buyers who want something different without relying on aftermarket shops. The Desert Rising package immediately catches attention with its white trail sights, white method wheels, and a bright pink grille that gives the Bronco a unique personality. Buyers can also choose optional exterior graphics to make the sport utility vehicle even more distinctive. A white bucking Bronco emblem completes the look, creating a package that is unlike any other Bronco currently on sale. Inside the cabin, Ford continues the colorful theme with magenta Katzkin leather seats and a serialized center console badge that reminds owners they are driving one of only 1,000 examples. The package can be paired with white, black, gray, or red exterior paint, giving buyers several ways to personalize the final appearance. The Desert Rising package is based on the Bronco Outer Banks and carries a price of $13,695. Orders are now open, allowing customers to reserve one of the limited production vehicles before they are gone. Ford is also preparing another factory-backed upgrade called the Bronco ORV package. While Desert Rising focuses on appearance, the ORV package is aimed at drivers who spend more time off-road. It includes 17-inch black WELD wheels, black lug nuts, a Fox off-road suspension system, Havoc fender flares, red tow hooks, and several other upgrades. Buyers will also have the option to add accessories such as a high-clearance Borla exhaust system and upgraded fog lights. The ORV package is expected to arrive later this year with a starting price of $16,499. These new packages are part of Ford Custom Garage, a program created to simplify the customization process. Customers can order the upgrades while their Bronco is being built or have the components installed later by a certified Ford dealer. When installed by the dealer, the packages are backed by a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, giving owners extra confidence while allowing them to enjoy a personalized Bronco straight from the factory.